Oh yeah, they did shorten my spats. I think, yeah. Thank you for that, but where is my butt? Like, what the fuck? I feel like it was from like certain poses made it even more visible. What the fuck is up with my butt? Where's my butt? Like the other girls also have no butt except for Lui, but you know Lui's pants like Lui's the shininess of her pants alone do a lot of the work, I think. Yeah, Lui's whole body shape is like what?
どこで見てんの？
秘密検査に必要
誰よ。